Hello, good morning. Today is May 14th, day 8 of the Coast to Coast. The sun is shining. It's 7:30 and I've already walked through about 3 cattle fields. One with a bull in it, which was interesting, but he was cool, he just stood there. So I'm heading to Richmond now. And then off to, I can't remember the name of the village now, but off to there. So many different names each day. So Richmond, though, I think it's 7 miles from when I started. Probably about a mile in, I would imagine now. Just walking through farm fields. I don't see one cloud in the sky. I see the sun. Pretty good morning. It's great to be out here. Slept really well again. Yeah, no Nook Cook campsite I stayed at, right off the trail. Yeah, it's pretty good. 6 pounds to stay. Nice grassy field. That was good. It's okay. Just a campsite. So the next campsite I'm staying at is the Buck Inn, I think. So it'd be at a pub, which would be cool. You know, I like staying at those. So, yeah, day 8. It's feeling good. Everything doesn't no pains whatsoever. Feet feel fine. No blisters. No nothing. So pretty good. The key is just resting them a couple times throughout the day, and it gets you through it. Where they're not so bad. Oh, there's some shade. Just walking into a farm field. It looks like. Making sure I'm going the right way. Yeah, so hopefully today, I think today is more of a farm day. I'm gonna walk through lots of fields and stuff. So I don't know how many miles. I want to say it was 7 to Richmond, so probably about 15, 16 today. So I wanted to get an early start, so I can take it easy throughout the day, and for stops, because I might stop in Richmond for a coffee or something. There's supposed to be a little cafe on the way through, so. And I need to get some food, a couple things. I bought some peanuts yesterday and snack bars, but I want to get like a meal, just in case there's no food anywhere. I have actually something I can eat. Okay, so yeah, that's what I've been walking through. Basically, the farm is right there, straight out there. If you can see that building there, that's the farm. So, yeah, I'm gonna keep moving now. Keep the show on the road. Another beautiful day. Let's see how it goes. What we got here, a nice little snack bar by donation. So I will be picking myself something up. Chips, Kit Kat, Bounty, Lion. Never had a Lion. Rolos. Wow, that's nice. Got water. Don't need water, but I'm gonna pick something up from here. Cheers. To the church. Pretty cool, huh? All the proceeds go to the church, so that's why I pulled in. I'm like, I'll definitely buy something from them. And of course, you round up, so pretty cool. Okay, just walking through this wooded section right now out of the sun, a little bit of break. I just stopped back there, had a cup of coffee and reapplied sunscreen. So about 2 miles out from Richmond, where I'm gonna get some, see if I can restock a few things that I need. I need a new gas tank. It's getting low, so I might as well get a new one. I think there's a outdoor store in there. So I'll pull in there and get that. And yeah, and then I'm going to Danby, Wiske today. That's my final spot, so at the pub there. I'm gonna call them at lunchtime just to make sure everything's okay and probably book a meal, because it says in the book here that sometimes they're busy, so I'm gonna make sure I get that done. Yep, so just hiking through the woods right now with a nice little shade, which is well needed, because it's been, most of that morning has been through just walking through the sun, so that's why I stopped and reapplied, because I felt like it was burning me. So yeah, so far so good today. I think it's just about 10 o'clock, so 2.5 hours. Stopped a few times. That was like a legitimate sit down, though, that one was. The other ones I just stopped to put sunscreen on and take my coat off. So took my yeah. All right, get through these woods and then head down into Richmond and do what I need to do there. So I'll catch up with you, update as I go. All right, just walking out of Richmond. Got myself some sausage rolls for lunch. And yeah, just walking near the castle now. Try to go into Mountain Warehouse for a gas canister, and they don't have the one I need, so out of that. But just heading out of Richmond now, should be out soon, and then back down to coast, should be fun. The sun is shining bright, as you can see. Castle Walk, River Swale Walk, I guess that's where I'm going. Castle's up there, I would imagine. Oh, we're down there. Let's see where we want to go. Anyway, ooh, nope, I think I was going the right way. I see some falls down there, so we'll go down there. Anyway, I'll do some videos when I get down there. All right, just leaving Richmond now. Had ice cream again. I think that's my 4th ice cream. Basically walking the castle walls. There's a castle up there. Just about see it, yeah, through the ruins there. I'm walking next to the river. I gotta cross over this bridge up here and then head down the other side of the river and start getting on my way. I think I've got a long day ahead of me still. I was looking at the book and it doesn't look anything short. So, sausage roll, let a lot of people out with their shorts and t-shirts on because the weather's just hot. I've reapplied again so I don't get burnt. So it's all kinds of things going on. People by the water, there's a guy scuba diving in the water. I don't know what he was doing, maybe looking for jewel money, but it's happening in Richmond, especially with the weather. Nice little village though, to be honest. Well, it's not a village, it's the biggest village city or village on the route, so lots going on there, lots of places to eat. Stop by the bank, got some extra money out because I'm buying too many ice creams. So, hard not to with the weather so hot. Nice little bridge I got to cross over here. See the river flowing next to me. Pretty cool. All right, I get moving. Keep crack-a-lacking on the day. It's nice days like this that make it good, you know. Makes it good. People asking, are you doing the coast to coast? One guy gave me directions or a tip in the village center. So, all right, walking up to this bridge now, and I gotta cross over that, and then heading on my way. So, catch you later. Update as I go. Alright, walking on a small diversion. I guess the trail is closed. I saw on a previous video last year it was closed, and the guy said the diversion's pretty short, but it's still closed as of May 2018. There's still a sign there, so you just got to walk down this lane here to the main road and follow the track. And it should put you right back on it, I imagine. So doing that now. I came through Colbeck not too far back, about a mile and a half ago, and that was okay. I see the main road up ahead. It's a tad warm, I must admit. The sun is it's bright. I've had a few people tell me, hey, it's not a great day to be walking in the UK, and I'm like, I don't know, it's pretty nice, but just got to make sure you have lots of water and sunscreen, which I have. I do need to stop. I need to stop and reapply. It's about 1:15 now, 1:20. So probably stop here shortly in the next 20 minutes and reapply and drink some water. Rest my feet because I've been walking on concrete for a little while now. Actually, let me get back on this grass. Yeah, so all right, I got to figure out what I got to do now because I took a picture of the sign, so I know what, because it gave you the directions, so I know what to do. It's just fields all around me right now. In a long country lane. Yeah, it's not the best part of the trail, but you got to get through this stuff, I guess. That's what happens. So keep going. All right. Ooh, today has been a tough one. So much road walking. It's like all I'm doing is walking on roads today. You can't even see me, can you, with the sun? All I've been doing is walking on roads today. It's been tough. My feet are very, very tired. And then cow fields, lots and lots of cow fields, probably about 5 fields of cows. Luckily they were all friendly and just moved out of the way, or I walked in between them, or so. Ooh, a little bit exhausted today. The sun and all that. It's a lot. I know the sun's good and all. It's nice to have good weather, but at the same time, it just drains you. Constantly filling, refreshing water, and this road walk. Oh man, can't wait till this road walk section's over. I've still got a lot more to go. I think I got 4 more miles till I get into Danby, Wiske. I called them, they answered finally. Yeah, they got plenty of camping space, so I'll get there, get situated. I think I've earned myself at least 3 pints. Because man, I need something to numb the pain. It's mainly my left foot that's sore. The right foot's fine. It's just these roads, they just do you in, man. I think today's been 18 miles, maybe 19 total. And I want to say at least 8 of it's been roads. 8 of it will be road in the end. So it's just excruciating. And this long country lane, I haven't seen a car. The whole time I've been on it, I saw 1 car. I've been on it for quite a while now. So yeah, so it's Danby, Wiske 4 miles. Richmond was 8 miles. Wow, so I've gone 8 miles from Richmond, and it was 6 miles to Richmond. So 6, 14, yeah, so 18 miles, yeah. 8, 6, yeah. So 18 miles today. I'll do 18 today, which just doesn't sound bad, but it's just when you're walking on your feet constantly on these roads, it's brutal. Anyway, enough of my whining. I'm still in good spirits. Other than that, feel good. Besides that, so I'm gonna keep going, keep trucking along. I did meet a guy back there I had a chat with for a while. He was quite enthused that I was doing the coast to coast, carrying all my gear. He's like, you don't see that too often. I was like, really? Because most people just B&B it apparently. So, because he lives right there on the coast to coast. So I gave him an idea if he should open his own little cafe, his own little store, selling little charity box, whatever it is, honest box with food and candy, and that'd be cool. So, drinks, especially in this road walk section. People were like, oh, I'd love probably a sweet. You probably sell well, but anyway. All right, another road. I'm on it still. I've still got a long way to go on it. Let me get through this, get this over with. See you at the pub.